Alright, so we are back with another low budget repair. I'm just gonna carry on from last time. Basically, I think we had this long list of stuff to do. I couldn't really improve the game's frame rates, but we'll see sort of how it goes. So let's start in the bathroom. Hang the wide view mirror above the sink. Okay. I don't think that's what your problem is, but alright. Where are they plugging that in? Okay, mounting. Pick an item. This is how we mounted the other thing. I love this game. It's the checker. It's the chaos one, and I got the mirror stuck in the wall. And I can't. Oh, that's mounted. Okay, and then those two are to buy something. We'll go to the store in a minute. The bedroom. Clean up? Sure. Quite the almost reach here. Oh, almost. Perfect. Hi guys, hope you don't mind if you could just go that way. That'll be great. Then buy and place the new wardrobe. Okay. I mean, you could pick up some things that would help. Buy the putty. Patch the holes. Oh, but I brought the putty with me. See now, it's full again. We used it in the last one, and it was almost empty. How do I do this again? Here you go. I wonder if we can paint it whatever color we want to paint it, or if we have to paint it the color they chose. We're missing just a little bit. Alright. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Hopefully in the full version of the game you get to sort of like upgrade everything. You upgrade the tools. Especially I think we have a paintbrush, not a paint roller. Be nice to have a paint roller. Sort of like maybe this a bit faster. Not that we are not that we are focusing very long on fixing anything, but it would be nice. And then I think like if you break things or steal things, because I see that wasn't recognized in the previous level. So like have that show on the report when you leave, you know? We're almost out of this. Hopefully we can do this. Otherwise, I suppose if I pick it up again, I might be able to refill it. Thank you. A cup of coffee. It's taking ages. I don't even think these people will realize that we've missed a little bit on their floor. Look at this. Okay. No? It's because I didn't buy the putty. Is that why we have an issue? Maybe this is not the same thing as putty. What have I got? What about? Let's see if I can paint it whatever color we want. Can I not? Oh, there. We can, but I don't know if that's gonna register as being painted like the plaster. Yeah. But I think they need a new color in here for sure. Well, let's go see. Actually, let's go to the store. I'll take this with me. Let's see if we can buy a roller and a few of these other things. Because I mean that would be cool. We just paint the lounge whatever color we want. By the plaster. So there. Where am I going? In the car? Okay, that's the car. Would have been nice to be able to drive, I think. We shall see. I'm not sure the music is maybe a little bit too loud. It's a little bit to load. Okay. Let's go in here and see what I can see. Looks very cool. It is, and not in English. Ooh, spray paint. Okay, so it seems like we cannot buy stuff off the shelves. How do we? What do we come for anyway? We need to buy a soap dispenser. Looking at the top right hand side list there. Oh, here. It says tiles. Okay, these we can buy. Yeah, what did I said a roller? Paintbrushes. We can't buy anyway. I suppose we have one. Can't buy any of that. It's paint. It says paint it fresh basil. Yes, lovely. Okay, and how? There's a little buy furniture. Okay, no, I don't want to buy furniture. So what does this say? Carry an item in your hands to the checkout. Press E to purchase the item. The item will immediately transfer to your backpack. Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. So we've got the one thing. We need putty. Plaster. plaster, tile, bucket. I'm sure it's the same one that we have, but it's probably that I need to buy it to check it. Yeah. And then we need a couch. Yeah, there's a few things we need to buy. Can I buy any couch? Isn't this the one they already have? Oh, it does say the modern style executive. This one? Executive lounge couch. I think so. I don't know what that means, but okay. Do I not have enough money? How? But how do we get money? I mean... Okay. They want us to buy soap holder. Yeah, it was a money thing, I don't know. Bathroom shelf. Okay. And a coat hanger. Coat hanger. Okay. I don't think we got the couch. Item will be delivered. Let's go back and see if it delivered the couch, because I couldn't, obviously I don't understand what it said, but it looked like we did not have enough money for the couch. Is there going to be another loading screen here? Yeah. I think the door should just take you, either must just be open to get to the car, or the door should just take you, because going through multiple loading screens is... it just takes too long. Maybe they have plans for that though. I mean, everything looks very nice and it functions pretty well. It's just the sort of performance when it comes to loading, and it might be my computer, to be fair. I mean, okay, we got a few. Oh, we did get the couch. We bought 5 couches. How many couches did we buy? Why do we have so many couches? Let's try to fix this here, and see if we... Okay. See if we come right now. Still not registering it. Is it just that I haven't done enough? Oh, this... I didn't see that. Okay. It's because we missed a spot. Maybe I did not have to buy the plaster after all. You are in the way. Can I pick you up? Alrighty. Hopefully And this one over here. And this one. No? Oh, I need a little bit more. I was trying to press E and click. I mean, they're full. I don't see why we're not getting that checked off. Is there something under the table? I need to fill this in a bit more. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. That's fine. Why do we have 2 paint? It seems like there is a duplicating, because I mean now we've got that one and the one in my inventory. Beautiful. Just a little bit on your table there. It'll wash right off when you end up cleaning, you know, your entire house. Paint. I wonder if I bought a mixing bucket, if we could mix them. What is the mixing bucket for? Okay, a little bit more. It's a beautiful color. They could have used this money to repaint the whole house. And maybe get a professional cleaning team. They decided no. Right, I mean that looks absolutely stunning. Let's stop from getting stuck on all these things here. Let's pick up this paint and take it this side. Drop it. Hopefully this registers. I think I did stuff a bit not order there. I definitely broke something. Yeah, no. I mean, I can't imagine why it doesn't look done. I'll take these. I know it doesn't work, but... Alright, what did they want us to do? They wanted us to see the bedroom again. Buy and place the new wardrobe. Here? Okay. Open the radial menu and get a screwdriver. Go to furniture. You want to dismantle. Hold E. I'm holding E. Right there. Okay. Alright. After dismantling, you can pick up the parts. Place the parts in the target location. Oh. Oh. Okay. Suppose that's how you put it back together. That wasn't important. Alright. That's how beautiful our work is. This pristine quality. And the wardrobe. Oh, I didn't buy the wardrobe, did I? That's fine. We'll do the couch. Dismantle. No, I told you we're never gonna need that cloth. That's not happening. That stuff over there. Alright. I think you do it like this. Okay. Can I not? Can I only assemble it here? Okay. Surely you fit. You just gotta get a bit of a wiggle. Okay, maybe from the other side. I'm glitching through the ceiling. I could glitch the mirror through, but I can't get the couch in. Yeah, that looks like maybe we're getting somewhere. Okay. You know what? If we have 4 couches, we'll just use one of the other ones. But now I can't move it at all. I don't know if I can get in there. And I made it worse. Okay, I didn't mean to do that, but I think that works. No? Yes? Oh, I'm not sure. Let's just put this box in and... Okay. Then we need a screwdriver. Or no? Can I not? I hope this one back. Is it because I already opened one of these? Oh. Is the couch 3 parts like this? But now I've just... Okay. I've just opened it over there. See, I thought they delivered 3 couches, but I see that they come in like multiple boxes. Maybe all of the parts had to be in there. Okay, well, I'm gonna give this one a rest. I think we didn't exactly do our job, but yeah, time for a new game.